of the Metro Chief Executive, the Metro Coordinating Director, the entire staff of the Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolitan Assembly. I want to first welcome you, to do the official welcome to Sekondi-Takoradi. And we have gathered here this morning because of the Twin Cities in Sustainable Partnership Project. And as part of the project, our partners are supposed to undertake a mission. We to your place, we also to our place to study and we exchange ideas. So this mission is purposely for us to come and look at the progress and also share ideas on how we can keep on with the training relationship that we have with the Municipality of Palermo.
I'm very happy that this project has this very important step, because if we have this important opportunity to share our idea about how this agreement will become not just a project that has a start and a end, but a long-term friendship in which the communities, the people, are the main player. So not just a signature, not just the exchange of visits, but the two communities that build together a future and help each other in equal basis to have a better life for every member of these two towns.
I welcome you once again to Sekondi-Takoradi. And what has brought us together is this partnership which established something that will be beneficial to the society, to the community of Sekondi-Takoradi and the city of Palermo itself. This collaboration is at the right time to help the less privileged, the unemployed youth, and also the women's group and the vulnerable in society.